to show you how you can download and back up your Google files. This would include your calendar, your Google Drive, and several other items within your Google ecosystem. So first of all, I'm already logged in with my Google account, and I'm going to go to takeout.google.com. So again, takeout.google.com is the site I'm going to. It will then bring me to this page. Now, what it lets me do is there's 40 currently, as of March 2022, there's currently 49 options within Google that you can select and export. So I'm going to start by deselecting all. So that'll give me 0. From there, I would go through the list and pick what I want. Again, there's lots of items under here. If you maintain a blog, you can pick that. You could pick your calendar if you wanted to. You could pick like your Chrome bookmarks, your Google Classroom. I'm thinking that Google Drive is probably going to be the item that most people are going to want. Whenever you select whatever it is that you want to back up, what you do is you go to next step. You pick either a frequency as of do it right now, so if you wanted to determine when you'll do it, or you could pick how off, like some kind of frequency. In this case, it's every 2 months for a year. It's going to give you your file type. You're going to want to keep zip, and then it's going to give you a size. Okay, if it's more than what the minimum is here, as it says right here, it'll break it into multiple files. So let's say I have a 10 gigabit OneDrive. I'm going to get multiple 2 gigabit files that I'll have to download. So that's the other thing you need to think of. Once you download your world from Google, where are you going to store it? Are you going to store it on your local machine? I recommend buying an external drive and copying it there. Once you're set, you will create the export. Now I'm going to just go back and let me go right back to takeout.google.com. And you can see here's one that I selected just one item. I just picked my classic sites. And once it compiles, it's going to give you a link that you'll then download. You put in your credentials and it'll download the file. Okay, so it may take a while to compile all that information depending on how much you have for your takeout. If you have questions about the process, I recommend you reach out to your tech team, and happy backing up.